This brick machine has gone crazy. It won't stop, literally cannot stop. The factory tech almost pulled an all-nighter because of it, and guess what? The culprit wasn't the PLC, wasn't the sensor, but a dirty valve spool. Got on site, tech said everything's been replaced. Proximity sensors are new. PLC output relays are new. Hydraulic valve coils are new. But the machine acts like it's possessed. Forward gives back, gives forward gives back. Infinite loop. I open the Delta PLC program monitor. The output Y2 is flashing like CRAZY. Definitely going mad. Check the program logic. After Y2 reaches position, the X for front sensor should hold for 1.2 seconds. Before next step, but reality? It can't even hold 1.2 seconds before sliding back. Program's fine, electrical's fine. So where's the problem? Then it hit me. The hydraulic valve spool is dirty. Contamination causes cylinder internal leakage. Can't hold position. Just reaches position. Slides right back. X4 signal drops instantly. PLC thinks it's not there. Fires Y2 again. Perfect closed loop. Infinite cycle. Had the techs pulled the valve, cleaned it, reinstalled it. Moment of truth. Hopper locks in place solid. No more shaking. Press, demold, eject. One shot. Shiny bricks coming out perfect. Tech staring in disbelief. So remember, in automation repair, electrical goes all the way down. Mechanical goes all the way to the root. Sometimes there's no bug in the code. The bug's in the oil, in the valve, in that 0.1 millimeters gap. You can't even see. Fellas, ever had a program's fine, electrical's fine, but machine's possessed fault? What did you find? Drop it in the comments. Let's see how many dirty spools horror stories are out there. And the real question, if you made this service call, pulled a valve, cleaned a spool, what would you charge? Give me a number in the comments.